Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 12C, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now this will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one that you just don't remember. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna lock the device and you'll be able to see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know this pattern. So number one, we will need to turn off our device. And all we need to do now is hold power key and volume up. This will bring up our boot options. Select power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up again. Now the phone isn't booting up in like 5 to 10 seconds. When you're holding the keys, you want to let go of them and then start holding them again. Now I did hold the power button for just a little bit too long. There we go. Once you see the Mi logo, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. This will take us to the recovery mode. So in here, we want to select or wipe data. Now we need to use volume keys to navigate, because as you can see, touchscreen doesn't actually work in here. So use volume keys to navigate and power key to confirm whatever is selected. So from there, we're going to select the wipe all data. Confirm. Give it a second, it only gets like 5%, and then gives us data wipe successfully. So we're gonna press power key, and power key. And this will now continue resetting our device in the background, which will take it a little bit longer to boot back up than you might be used to, but don't worry, that's normal. Now once the process is finished, we will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished. Now, I'll mention one more thing, which I probably should have mentioned right off the bat. Usually when you also have a Google account logged into the device and you do this, the device will become FRP locked. So when you're going to the setup, you'll most likely need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account, either one of those, which is the case for me. I have done this deliberately. As you can see, there is a little lock on here to signify that the device is locked. Now I'm mentioning this because if you are in the same boat, I'll be making in the next video a guide on how you can just bypass this and then completely remove it. So stay tuned for that if you're interested in this. But anyway, going back to this one, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.